I see your lips, the summer kisses, the sunburned hands I used to hold.
Welcome to a fresh start on this channel. I am very happy to be back in the studio. It's been a long winter and I have a lot of visual stories I want to tell and a lot of value to give if you give me the chance. Hang on a second, I forgot the green screen. By the way, feel free to stop by if you're in the area and you want to lose some water weight, because up here it rarely gets below 90 degrees. But you're more than welcome to come and stop by and say hi, so just DM me on Instagram for the address. Please know that when you subscribe to this channel, it comes with a responsibility to give feedback. The more critical, the better. For example, this comment was both informative and motivating. I'm always looking for new opportunities to create, so if you are a carpenter like Jason, or a photographer like Chris, or an actor like Reagan, feel free to hit me up and I would love to come with you on a project, on a shoot or something, and get behind the scenes, or just have something, do something, you get the idea, do something creative with you guys. There's not enough of that in my immediate friend group and stuff, so I'd like to foster that sort of creative expression and doing projects. You get the idea. Lastly, thank you very much for giving me your most precious resource, your time, and here is to a productive, business-filled, creative 2018. Cheers. Woo! Wow. That's actually really good.